Hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and this is HDFC Bank's Marriott Bonvoy credit card. And let me tell you, this card is 2 years old and I don't use this card at all except for the welcome benefits which it comes with. I have used the golf access which it gives, even the silver elite status which it gives, and due to which I have been right now sitting on the Marriott's Gold Elite platform. Now, you are saying, Professor, but this card is like 3,000 rupees plus GST. The charges are so low. How can you get this much? And to tell you very frankly, the first year it was the Westin Powai in Mumbai, which whose free night was just amazing. The second was at ITC Moria, where I pour in 7,000 Marriott points along with the free night it gives, and with the 3,500 rupees per, like the joining fees and the renewal fees, these two properties were one of the most happening properties I've ever been. And I must say, I really enjoyed both of them. So as long as this card is there, I'm going to keep renewing it without any doubt. But this card is not only for the drawers, or is it? We are going to discuss that in this whole video. We are right now very close to 10,000 followers on Twitter. We are at 9,885. Only 150 is left, 15 is left to reach 10,000 followers. So if you have not, so Professor Cardz started with this Twitter handle, and the amount of response I get for the posts I make, it's like amazing. So do not forget to follow me over there, because that is the first source of information you will find anywhere. Second, the Professor Cardz YouTube channel has the member only videos, which is a collection of good videos if you are just starting with the credit card world. And for $199 only, you get access to these 10 to 15 videos where you can get, like, some important videos are how to get accelerated miles on voucher purchases for Atlas, cashback on credit card bill payments, and how to transfer your credit card to bank account. It works without any issues. Plus, how to book your Marriott properties for friends and family, how to use the Amex vouchers for discount and booking. So these are all out there, but not as a collective thing. These primarily videos are going to give you that. Plus, you get access to the WhatsApp group for the members only, and you can have a 15-minute chat with me if you are a member, and it is for everyone. It is not like if you are not a member. It is not like it is for selective people. If you join as a member, you can clarify your doubts with me on WhatsApp. So just fill in the form after you get this membership in the members only post, and I'll add you to the group. Plus, we have just started this channel, the Professor Cardz English channel, which is my old channel, Professor Cardz, Professor Tech. So if you have not subscribed to this, subscribe so that we are in touch for the rest of our lives. Let's talk about this card. So as of now, the video is live because this card is going to give you a voucher which you can see over here. So as soon as you apply with the link given in the description, you are eligible for this card's 1,500 rupees gift voucher. So take a screenshot before you apply, and after that you apply. If you in future, if there is an issue, you just mail to the customer care team, and most probably you are going to get this. So take the screenshot. It is very important, along with the timestamp, and tell them that you have applied this card within this offer period with the link in the description, and it is going to work. So what does this card basically gives you? So for me, it is the first night which is given with the joining and the renewal fees, the 1 free award night, and 10 elite nights on the first eligible transaction of rupees 500. So this is the first thing you do. You take the card, swipe for 500 rupees, and you get a free night worth 15,000 Marriott points across the world. You can take it anywhere. Plus the 10 elite nights which are given to you, that can be used, because that is basically, that makes your account silver elite for like 3,600 and something rupees. Apart from that, now what about the daily usage? So whenever you spend rupees 150 on Marriott Bonvoy properties, you get 8 Marriott points. On travel, dining and entertainment, you get 4. On other spends, you get 2 Marriott points. And you get green fee waiver across a lot of golf courses in the world. That is 2 per quarter, so 8 games in all. So you get free golf games as well. Apart from that, there are transactions where you are not going to get any reward points or Marriott Bonvoy points. That is fuel, smart EMI, dial and EMI, wallet load, cash advances, outstanding balances, payment of card fees and other charges, government related charges, and rental transactions. So this is as simple as that. Apart from that, this is one of those cards which gives you complimentary lounge access both at domestic and international terminal using the Marriott Bonvoy card. And the numbers are 12 and 12. So 12 domestic for domestic lounge access and 12 complimentary using the DCI travel tool app for the international travel access. That's it. So again, as soon as you get this card, you get a ton of benefits. 12 complimentary lounge for you, domestic and international. You can take an add-on card. Your family members can also get that lounge access. You get the golf games, 8 in total over the green fees can go from 1500 to 3000, 4000 as well. You get silver elite status, plus you get the 1500 rupees voucher, which makes this card a very sweet deal. Like for 2000 rupees only, you can get a free night at a 5-star. That is the highlight of this card. Apart from that, at 6 lakh, if you are able to spend 6 lakh on this card, you are going to get one more free night. If you spend 9 lakh, you get the second free night, and if you spend 15 lakh, you get the third free night. So all in all, it is not recommended for you to use this card for 6, 9 and 15 lakh because the returns which it gives is not that much. But one thing, like all the award nights have a limit of 15,000 reward points. If the room, let's say the charges are 20,000 reward points, the 5,000 reward points you have to give extra. That is the thing. And every 12 months you can redeem the one night which is there with this card up to rupees 15,000 Marriott Bonvoy points. That's it. Apart from that, this card comes with a ton of comprehensive insurance and protection plans, such as delay and loss of check-in baggage for up to rupees $250, loss of travel document up to rupees $250, flight delay up to rupees $250, air accident cover up to rupees $12,500, emergency medical expenses up to rupees $18,750, credit shield up to rupees 1 lakh, loss liability up to rupees 9,000. So this card, this is one HDFC card which I think is absolutely banger of a card. You should not leave this card if you have the option to take it. For a simple reason, you take this card, you swipe it around, you can book for your golf games, you can go for your lounges, you can go for a night at a good Marriott Bonvoy property or the partner properties, and you can keep this card in the drawer, and next year you do that again. So if you have, let's say, 2 or 3 cards in your family, you can make it 2 or 3 bookings, and you can have at least 3 to 4 nights easily at Marriott's most of the properties in India. Again, eligibility wise, this is higher than Regalia Gold. You need to have a net monthly income of rupees 1 lakh. For self-employed, the ITR requirement is rupees 15 lakh per annum. Fees and charges, I just told you, it's 3,000 plus the taxes, that is 18%. And because you are getting this 1,500 rupees return, so you basically are paying 15,000 plus 1,500 plus the taxes on the 3,000. So that comes out to be somewhere around 2,000. So for 2,000 rupees, the amount of benefits it gives, I don't think any other card in India beats that, except maybe one card, that is the Access Horizon card, which again gives you a value worth rupees 10,000 whenever you get that card. For the prices are, I think, 3,000 plus GST again. So these two cards, the premium, the City Premium, while the old one, and this card, they go hand in hand, like they are very comparable. But this card has its benefit. Plus, if you are into the ecosystem, this card will give you sometimes, like last 2 months, it had a plan where if you spend 2 lakh and 4 lakh, you can even get the Marriott points reaching those milestones, and all the wallet, rent and everything else, they are included in the milestone benefit. So that is one good thing about this card as well. So I hope you guys like this video. I'll drop a link in the description. You can use that link to get this card. This is a must card for you to have if you are interested in HDFC's any card, or at least want to stay 1 night a year, or if you and your wife and your parents can take that 3 to 4 nights a year, you can take this card and have a holiday on its own in any Marriott property. That's a experience you should never leave. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Do subscribe, share us on Twitter, and take care. Bye bye. See you and Jai Hind.